Tering Ningon Chasu Chungi Yu Samla Ari Sidun Soba Nile Drube Yu de Trezo Tumi Dun Dan Leche Che Kun Somi Sumjasam Yube Chedu Kusap Sojong Shi Shuga Dharamshala Pepjo Nasong Kapter Gagal Namtan to Pumi Jiksu Gi Chidi Kalun Tan Chungji Ari Pyoge Kusap Tungang Dan Dili Pyoge Kusap Tungang Ge Chungji Tishin Geji Pyodo Legyu Kangi Genzin Tang Shenyang Shuga Do Tenshi Chebe Shungje Mayin Be Chokde Kage Jeyu Tsu Be Serge Mima Che Ge Tsamji Jeda Pyo Danja Pepsu Nelin Shusong
I want to say greetings to the great people of Dharamshala.
Yes, sir.
And we are very excited to see His Holiness tomorrow to talk about many things, including the bill we just passed out of Congress that basically says that the United States of America stands with the people of Tibet.
So will the President Biden sign this bill?
Yes, he will. He
Thank
will.
you.
Now I'd like to turn it over to my ranking member to say a few words.
Casa delay. I'm just joined. We're here, Democrats and Republicans together. The Congress is united together.
Ari Trezo Ge Kusap Sojong De Tiring Gagal Namtang Ne Tegar Shungne Hayat Sojong Kang to Pepkap Pumi Jiksu Ge Mangzo Kaosum Ge Zezo Naba Yube Mimang Tang Lukzu Che Pepsur Cher De Gasun Nelin Sabge Shuye Ari Kusap Sojong De Tiring Tang Sanyi Che Ninchang Niring Shuga to Shusha Nangi Yobatar Tiring Ningyap Chazo Sumda Chege To Kona Pumi Ma Jidul Henzo So Chebeb Na Yobatang Kaptel Pumi Ma Jidu Chozo Jebu Ni Zube Jidu Gulen Nabatang Chozhong Ligong Ge Chozhong Zube Leje Nabe Nelin Sabge Shubatang Del Konam Shuga Do Chebeb Nangba Di Yi Geji Tang Lakdun Yana Shung La Dalin Shuje Shin Nang Yoko Song Song
It is an honor for me to welcome all of you on behalf of the Tibetan Parliament in exile. This distinguished delegation is testament to the bipartisan support for the U.S. Congress for the Tibet cause. Your visit to Dharamshala sent a strong message to the Chinese government.
And I'm just so proud to be here with my colleagues, and I know they are too, and so proud to be in your temple of democracy, and so proud of the people of Tibet and having this temple of democracy in exile. And I hope that one day this temple of democracy will be back in Tibet itself. Thank you.
It is indeed an honor, privilege, and pleasure to be here today in this temple of democracy.
The democracy of the diaspora, of the Tibetans in exile is very, very important to us. There isn't a word to describe the thrill it is for us to see His Holiness tomorrow. It's something we have anticipated for a while. We'll savor as we enjoy it tomorrow and then draw strength from it as we go forward. Because His inspiration to the world of peace, of goodness, He's the first Nobel laureate to talk about the environment, God's creation. So again, to all of you, thank you for your courage. Thank you for your entrepreneurship and starting a government.
Ari Trezo Tumi Nam Pumi Ma Jidul Henzo So Chebeb Gi Chozo Jebu Tang Jinje Nang Je Chidi Pyogi Jemdung Kando Tsamse Nawatang Sang Chise Jugu Nin Jino Khonsi Kiamkyu Chimbucho Jemun Nangyu Tang Tene Nin De Tijen Chulen Zula Kando Ari Kusab Choga La Chidu Gi Shungje Zegol Hinsho Nang Je Ningyab Sugar Ne Chebeb Nangi Yobare